Hi friends, hope you people will be doing well. Here is a short video I'm just posting because one of my subscriber at Tongsing T, he commented that he was putting the key for his car in the key cylinder, and while he was rotating the key was not rotating and it was rejected to rotate. So he forcefully removed the key from the key cylinder, and the key was sticking in some position. So then he was unable to start his car. So here is a small video. This problem I faced long before, some years before, while I was in Saudi Arabia with my car. Here I am demonstrating how to solve this problem. The solution to this problem is very easy, and this is a very common problem which is coming with the old cars, and especially the cars you are running in dusty conditions. So this is common. So here I am demonstrating with my Honda the solution to this problem, but it is the same for the car also. What you need is your key and a can of WD-40. What is happening, because dust is going inside this key cylinder and dust is accumulating inside, and while you are putting your key and rotating, it's reject to rotate, it's not rotating. So that's why this problem you are facing. So the solution is easy. If the key is coming out, it's better. If it is not even coming out, you can do your solution how I'm showing you. So take this WD-40, then they are providing straw with this one. So put this straw in, and then spray this WD-40 in the key cylinder gently, and put some big quantity in, because there is a dust inside. So this dust will be cleaned by this WD-40, and this way you have to wiggle on key, and eventually it will come to wiggle. If you will put a little force and with small effort, it will come wiggling. It will rotate, the key will rotate. So some way like this, do it again and again, and hope it will help, because this is a very common problem. So that's why I put this video for your help, because this WD-40, this has some penetration oil and also some lubrication inside. So that lubrication helps, and the penetration oil also helps to open the mechanism inside the key cylinder lock. So this way you will be able to open your lock, and you will be able to correct the problem. And this is the permanent solution for this one. I mean, you should have a can of WD-40 in your car. Anytime you face this problem, you should have to treat some way like this. So hopefully this video will help the people who are in need and who are in trouble. So thank you for watching. Keep on watching, stay tuned, subscribe and like.